Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error code that is 0x80073cf0. So if you're receiving this error while installing any application or games from Store or Xbox app, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to make sure date, time zone and region is correct. At the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Scroll down, click on sync now. This is important. Now go to time and language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run ws reset command. So type in ws reset in Windows search box and then click on ws reset run command. This will reopen Store. Now you can check. Still not working. Repair or reset Store. For this, type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click, go to app settings and then scroll down, click on terminate first and then click on repair. Once the repair is done, you can check. If that does not work, reset. After the reset you can check. Still not working. Delete Microsoft Store local cache folder, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder, open your username folder. Now open app data. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items and then open app data folder, open the local folder, open the packages folder. Now scroll down, find Microsoft Windows Store folder. So over here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character, open this folder. Here you can see local cache folder, make a right click, delete it and then relaunch Store and then check. Still not working. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find Windows Update. In the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service. Make a double click on Microsoft Store install service, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, again make a double click, set this to again automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Once this is done, now you can check. Still not working. Run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time and it will re-register all the Microsoft Store apps. And during this process, you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors like these in red color, just ignore it. Let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see everything red. Once it is complete, you have to restart your PC and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Run the second command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Now once you run all these commands, now restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Microsoft account, sign in the system. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. And then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to switch to different networks. So if you have any other network available, you can switch to different network over here and then you can check. If that does not work, you can use phone hotspot. Turn on the data on the phone, turn on the hotspot on your phone and then you can connect to your phone network and then check. If that does not work, try Ethernet connection. So if your computer has an Ethernet port and if you have an Ethernet cable, go for wired connection. Next step is to try installing the application or game from the library. So open Microsoft Store on your computer and then if you are able to go to downloads, you can go to downloads. If you see your application or game over here, you can try to install it from here. You can even go to library if you see your game or application over here in the library and you can try to install it from here and then check. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. Copy the first command. The command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow, paste the command, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. Once done, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to update Store. Now go to Microsoft Store, go to downloads. At the top right here you can see check for update. Click on check for update. If you see update all, click on update all, update everything. Once everything is updated, now you can check. Still not working. Run this command. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And then you can check. If the scan is stuck, you can follow the next step. Next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl, click on it, go to advanced tab, and then scroll down. Make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all four are checked, and then hit apply. Apply is important over here, and then click on OK, and then relaunch Store. Next is to update Windows. This is important. Go to Windows Update, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to, if you're trying to install any game, you can use Xbox app to install the game. Go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you will see download the app option. Click on download the app, and then you can run this exe file and install Xbox app on your computer. Now, once the Xbox app is installed, you can log in with the right account which has the game or which has the Game Pass, and then try to install it from Xbox app. Still not working. You can run Gaming Services Repair Tool. Now for this, you can go to Xbox app, click on your profile icon, go to support option, click on Gaming Services Repair Tool, click on start repairing, click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. Once the repair is done, now you can check. Still not working. Install Xbox Identity Provider. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Click on View in Store, open Microsoft Store. If not install, you will see install option, get option, or maybe update option. Install it and then check. If still not working, you can uninstall and reinstall Gaming Services. Copy the first command. The commands are provided in the video description. Copy the command over here. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. This will uninstall Gaming Services from your computer. Once done, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will open Store. You can click on Get or Install option. Install Gaming Services. If you face any trouble installing Gaming Services, restart your PC. After the system restart, you can open PowerShell as an administrator only, and then you can run the first command. Once again, run the second command, install Gaming Services. Once the Gaming Services is installed 100%, now you can check. Next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find IP helper in the list, make a double click on IP helper, set this to automatic, click automatic, and then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Find Xbox services at the bottom. Here you can see 4 Xbox services. Make a double click on each Xbox services. Set it to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Again, do the same thing with the second Xbox services. Automatic. Apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Again, automatic. Automatic. Apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Again, automatic. Apply. Click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Find Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Now find Gaming Services, make sure Gaming Services are running. If not, make a right click on start if highlighted, or click on restart. Do the same thing with the second Gaming Services, make a right click on start or restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service. Once again, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, you can log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this Microsoft Store error code. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.